What if you had to sell your home right after buying it and still walked away without losing a dollar? Most people think selling quickly means losing money, especially in a small market like Sydney. But that's not always true. Let me tell you how one family protected their bottom line with a strategic break-even sale, even though selling wasn't part of their plan. This family had just bought their ranch-style home when life threw them a curveball. They needed to sell fast, and the goal wasn't profit. It was simple: don't lose money. To make that happen, we had to price with precision, not emotion. We built a hybrid marketing plan that gave the home the exposure it needed without letting days on market pile up. And within days, we connected with a buyer and an agent who were collaborative, efficient, and aligned with our goals, which is huge in a rural market. Then came the repairs. Most sellers dread this part, but instead of letting stress take over, we stayed strategic. We coordinated communication, we broke down what truly mattered, and we protected the seller's bottom line at every turn. That teamwork paid off. The home sold quickly, smoothly, and right where it needed to. A clean, break-even result with zero financial fallout. And the review says it best. Stasia not only works hard, she truly cares about her clients. So here's the takeaway. You can sell quickly after buying, you can avoid losing money. And with the right strategy, clarity, guidance, results, even an unexpected sale can become a smart, stress-free transition. If you're facing a tight timeline or a tough situation, let's talk. The right plan can protect your peace and your profit. If you have questions, please reach out to me at 406-478-8020.